Romiora Angiore mag bero chenro mag piny owacho. Jotelo moko mano yuoro oting'o gavana ma Migori Ochilayako mano jiwo tudruok makare e kind sirikal maduong' kod mano mar county e bero chenro ma ichwalo ne oganda.
And the president, together with the former Prime Minister Raila Odinga, have sat down and have agreed that one of the conditions for working together is to make sure that those who lost their loved ones and those who are maimed must be compensated. And this is the first in African continent. Kenya is full of firsts. This is something that should not be criticized. Some of the people who are killed, something must be done. We must bring reconciliation in this country. And the president has said publicly and announced loudly that we are going to do a first one in 120 days. Compensation for people who have suffered. Then some people are criticizing that. What kind of a person are you? There is a need to compensate these people who have suffered. I will exercise that authority under Article 223. I will make money available. So please, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo, stop questioning where money will come from. I have that power given by the Constitution. And the president has already instructed me.
Jatend bura mar DCP Rigathi Gachagua okwedo jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki kod jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen madwaro ni Gachagua ondik dhoge e weche manowacho matudo jatend piny William Ruto kod kweth mag njore. Kolose piny Amerika, Gachagua koni oikore mar fuong'o ne od bura mar Senate ma Amerika tudruok matend piny Kenya nigo kod kweth mobalo mag piny Sudan.
I saw the Minister for Interior saying that we should be asked to help in investigations in this matter. We cannot help in any investigations because the Kenya government has not initiated any investigations against William Ruto. The people who have initiated investigations is the American Senate. So if there is need for us to help in investigations, we'll help the American Senate, not the Kenya government. And you know, I see people threatening other people. I've seen that fellow called Soprano issuing a lot of threats every day. Oh, mimi ni fire, mimi ni noma. Oh, don't push me around. I want to tell Soprano to take time to read Wallace Soyinka.
Ngwenya kurom gajuang bang sa hachiel mamidhiambo chenro en ratil wakao yo mokwongo kapok wakao yo aneno moko kuom ote kae kamoting'o mano mar mwalimu Faith Mzomo wacho ni bura otieko ne pesa ni sabuni ya roho. Wacho ni mane motivate oganda kweli kweli jotugo koro tuge yo makare. Wacho ni rawere wametia bidii. Congratulations to Harambee Stars. Mano kanyo ote mar mwalimu Faith. Comedian Aduka Duk wacho ni Kisumu Kolua ema entiere kendo neno weche geyo makare ahinya. Feature Felix wacho ni live and clear. Beano baba twins Maronjinyo wacho ni weche gichopo ne yo makare entiere Kisumu Europe. Kaeto wacho ni enpuoch gipak ne team mar Harambee Stars kuom loch magiyodo kawuono kokalo kuom Morocco. Kenya tuko mbele kako wacho. Okalsinia wacho ni entiere kitere pacho. Freddy Komondi entiere kodwa ka en Ruben Estate. Mea eno kano Jona Bongo. George wacho ni en George Nyakwaro Kombo Wood Game namba Nyokal. Kariobangi weche gichopo neo makare entiere Stall 151. Wacho no mora hinya kaka Harambee Stars orodho ng'ato. Janet Awino wacho ni entie Kitale. Kaeto Bayano Baba Tur wacho ni en gimomako dhoge en wach masira mar apaya matieko ngima jo Kenya. Wacho ni jachien mamadho remb jo Kenya ni en okoyie. Mano Baba Tur. Job Jagongo wacho ni entie Eldoret Langas eyo makare ahinyo wacho ni Harambee Stars oyudo puoch gi pak. Minano kanyo Fibia Loch wacho ni entiere Asumbi weche gichopo ne yo makare en bende. Sara Singanya Kwarodongo wacho kanyo ni Kanyamkago weche gichopo yo makare. Obuya Eric bende wacho ni en entiere koda. Engineer Lazaro Kanyambok to wacho ni Pastor Suwugoko mondo miolam ne wach mar masira he pacho kae remo chwer endara. Kata kamano wacho ni en gima lit ahinya to ochiwo puoch gi pak ne team mar Harambee Stars. Wacho ni kare team ber kod motivations. Ruto ne motivate team kod pesa maber omiyo gitugo kweli kweli. Mano engineer Lazaro Kanyambo. Kwa motinya kwa mgajuang chenro en ratil kikidhi mabwe.
Have you figured out a vacation plan for the kids for the August school holiday? Treat them to an unforgettable 2-night bush safari with View Travel, where adventure meets family bonding. Head to the legendary Masai Mara from just 19,450 Kenya shillings in a van or 23,000 Kenya shillings in a Land Cruiser. Or go wild in Samburu, 2 nights from just 37,100 Kenya shillings in a Land Cruiser. Our Samburu departures are fixed for 8th to 10th and 29th to 31st August. All packages include accommodation, meals, game drives, and endless memories. Changamka, slots are filling fast. Book now and pay in installments with our Lipa Pole Pole plan. Visit viewtravel.com or call 0703 254 254. View Travel. Dream, explore, discover.
Saa zingine mambo kupata bila plan. Gas ndio imeisha, landlord akuache upumue, mtoto ni mgonjwa na bado ni mid-month. Usijibox kwa noma. Piga *531# and sort your emergencies with my Mobi Civil Servant Loan, iwe usiku au mchana. Kama wewe ni civil servant, sasa uko sorted. Dial *531# and get up to 20,000 shillings and pay from your next payslip. No paperwork, no guarantors, no drama. Ni wewe tu na simu yako. Register now and see your limit in seconds. Build for Kenyan civil servants. My Mobi, iko sorted.
Introducing Wigo, your trusted ride. The ride with the most reliable, verified, efficient, and transparent drivers. With fabulous cashback incentives for passengers, each trip on Wigo feels like an upgrade. Download Wigo from Play Store or App Store or SMS Wigo to 20425 and ride with confidence. Wigo, let's go.
Team Kenya Harambee Stars ondiko historia kendo ng'ado tiko mar quarter finals e tuke mag chan tok lo team mar Morocco gola 1-0 e lap Makasarani.